Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a white background on your Instagram story. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, simply swipe left to go to the story section. And now simply tap on Create. Now at the bottom, you will see a color palette. Select the white color. If you don't see white, tap and hold on any color to bring up the entire color wheel. And now drag your finger to the white area. And now you have your white background. If you want to add a picture here, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. And now simply tap on Photo. And now select any photo which you wanted to add. And once you are happy with it, simply tap on Your Story. And that's it. You have successfully added a white background to your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.